The holidays start with PBS Kids
It's time to do the show.
and your favorite family tradition.
Everyone celebrates their own holiday traditions.
Paranda is one of my favorite Puerto Rican traditions.
Hanukkah is Hanukkah.
A tradition can be a special holiday song.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Or your favorite holiday craft.
Who's ready to make some ornaments? 'Cause we're gonna be at a party.
Traditions can be a favorite holiday recipe,
Hot cocoa time, all right.
a special snack or treat,
Like Christmas cookies and hot cocoa.
or even a...
Holiday sweater.
And if you don't have a family tradition,
I just love Christmas time.
start by watching your favorite holiday specials right now on PBS Kids.